Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on how to use ERP to improve your communication skills. In today's fast-paced business world, effective communication is more important than ever. It's crucial to be able to communicate clearly and efficiently with your colleagues, clients, and vendors, and to be able to do so in a way that fosters collaboration and teamwork. That's where ERP comes in. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, is a software system that helps businesses manage their core business processes, such as inventory and order management, accounting, and human resources. But ERP is much more than just a tool for managing business operations. It can also be a powerful tool for improving communication skills, both within your organization and with external stakeholders. In this video, we'll explore some of the ways that ERP can help you become a better communicator, and some tips for how to use ERP to improve your communication skills. One of the key benefits of ERP is that it provides a centralized database of information that can be accessed by everyone in your organization. This can be incredibly helpful when it comes to communication, as it ensures that everyone is working from the same information. No more emailing spreadsheets back and forth, or trying to remember which version of a document is the most up-to-date. With ERP, all of the information related to your business processes is stored in a single database. This means that everyone in your organization can access the same data in real time. Whether you're working on a project with a colleague in another department, or trying to provide a customer with up-to-date information about their order, ERP can help ensure that everyone is on the same page. To take advantage of this benefit, it's important to ensure that everyone in your organization is using the ERP system consistently and correctly. Make sure that everyone is trained on how to use the system, and that there are clear guidelines for how information should be entered and accessed. This will help ensure that the information in the system is accurate, up-to-date, and accessible to everyone who needs it. Content section. Another benefit of ERP is that it can help facilitate collaboration and teamwork within your organization. With everyone working from the same information, it's easier to coordinate activities and ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals. This can be especially helpful for cross-functional teams, where different departments need to work together to achieve a common objective. ERP can also provide tools for collaboration, such as project management software, document sharing tools, and communication channels. These tools can help facilitate communication and collaboration, even when team members are working remotely or in different locations. To take advantage of this benefit, it's important to encourage collaboration within your organization. Make sure that everyone understands the importance of working together towards common goals, and provide opportunities for team members to collaborate and share ideas. Use the collaboration tools provided by your ERP system to facilitate communication and teamwork, and encourage team members to use them regularly. ERP can also help streamline communication within your organization. With everyone working from the same information, it's easier to communicate important updates and changes, and to ensure that everyone is aware of any issues or concerns. ERP can also provide tools for automated notifications and alerts, which can help ensure that everyone is informed in a timely manner. To take advantage of this benefit, it's important to establish clear communication protocols within your organization. Make sure that everyone knows who they should be communicating with, and how they should be communicating. Use the communication tools provided by your ERP system to automate notifications and alerts, and to ensure that everyone is informed of important updates and changes. Finally, ERP can help you improve your communication with customers and other external stakeholders. With a centralized database of information, it's easier to provide customers with up-to-date information about their orders, shipments, and invoices. ERP can also provide tools for customer relationship management, such as automated email campaigns and customer service portals. To take advantage of this benefit, it's important to ensure that your ERP system is integrated with your customer-facing systems, such as your e-commerce platform and customer service software. Make sure that you're using the customer relationship management tools provided by your ERP system, and that you're providing customers with up-to-date information about their orders and shipments. We hope that this video has helped you understand how ERP can help you improve your communication skills. If you're not already using an ERP system, we encourage you to explore your options and find a system that's right for your organization. With the right ERP system, you can streamline your business processes, improve collaboration and teamwork, and become a better communicator. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more technology tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching our video on how to use ERP to improve your communication skills. We hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more technology tips and tutorials. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.